Welcome back to my channel. Tonight for dinner we're having oven-baked pork chops with roasted potatoes. I found this recipe on Pinterest, and if you're interested in making this as well, I will leave a link for you in the description box below. Let's start on the potatoes because I think they take the longest to cook. This recipe calls for baby potatoes, but today all we have are big fat Idaho potatoes, so that's what we're going to use. We're going to cut the potatoes up into manageable chunks and then drop them onto our baking dish. At this point you can add whatever seasonings are your favorite. I like the basics: black pepper, garlic, salt, a little cayenne pepper for some heat but not too much. You'll also want to pick an oil too. I used a vegetable oil, but you can use olive oil. I know I had olive oil on the counter, but for some reason I used vegetable oil. It honestly doesn't matter. Use whatever you prefer. Give everything a good toss and then throw it in the oven for 15 minutes at 425 degrees. While the potatoes are in the oven, we're going to work on the sauce for the pork chops. To the bowl, we're going to need 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, one tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 minced or crushed clove of garlic. We're going to toss the pork chops inside and add half the sauce to this gallon Ziploc bag. Give everything a good shake. It's time to check on the potatoes. And this is why I double the sauce. I like to add it to my potatoes because it tastes so good. Now we're going to make room for our pork chops and sprinkle on some last minute salt and pepper. My pork chops are on the thinner side, so I'm going to cook mine for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then halfway through the cooking process, I'll pull them out, flip them over, and dump the rest of the remaining sauce, if there is any left. I'll also turn on the broiler to caramelize the sauce, but for some reason I forgot to do that. It's fine, it still tasted great. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today. I do plan on bringing you along to the next recipe gem I find. Until then, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like this video and would like to see more, please like and subscribe to my channel.